Hey guys, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Virgin Mobile Samsung Restore. I just got this in the mail. My previous phone broke, which was the Samsung Intercept, which is also on Virgin Mobile, because I have to pay for my own stuff now. But yeah, let's look at the phone. You can see it in there. It's all new. Talks about all the things it can do: Twitter, Facebook, Google Maps, and it's made from 83% recycled products. It's a 3G slider. What's new with it? 6 hours of talk time and 12 days of standby. So let's open it. And that did not work. Like most attempts. Yeah, you know, it's not working either. Gotta get down to the good old ripping. There we go. That's how to do it. Clamshell thing, like most Virgin Mobile things. Hello. Hello there. Open. Ah. User guide. Terms of services guide. One of those little magnet things and the crazy looking other thing. The battery, which is almost identical to my Samsung Intercepts. The charger, which is, I think, micro USB. Is that it? Come on. It'll focus. Yeah, micro. I think that's what it's called. And the phone itself, feels very light to me. Kind of cheap. And it's got this bulge on the back. Slides open pretty slow. It doesn't really have any of its own force too much, just a little bit. Buttons feel almost identical to my Samsung Intercepts, which is over here actually, for comparison. Sorry about this. This is very unorganized. I gotta search through food and a bunch of stuff. Yeah, I can't find it. Sorry about that. Oh, wait, no. I can find it. Here was my Samsung Intercept. It had more of its own spring buttons. I'm gonna miss the keyboard of this because I kind of liked it. There's them side by side. It's not as solid. Dedicated camera button. Volume rocker, where you put the USB in up there, just like the Intercept. Alright, I'll activate this and I will have a review of it later. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe.